So hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Recently a news has been circulating on the internet showing that a Bangladeshi pharmaceutical company named Globe Biotech Limited has claimed what they say is the vaccination of COVID-19. It was confirmed by Dr. Asif Mahmood, who is the assistant manager and in charge of the research and development sector of the Global Biotech Limited firm. You may have seen him crying, saying that we can't afford to lose more in the press conference, and it made him quite viral overnight. Let's start the video. Before we talk about, we must know how a vaccine finally reaches to the consumer. We have been seeing news about possible vaccines and wonder why it takes so long to reach to us. For us common people, we just know a vaccine is tested on an animal before it reaches to us. But in reality, it is not the case. There are various paperwork that needs to be done prior to the release. I am referring to the US system. I am going to explain it very shortly, and if you want to know more, then I have included those articles which I referred for my video. The first step is called the exploratory stage. This is more like a lab research, and the main aim for the scientists is to identify natural or synthetic antigens that might help to treat the disease. Then comes the preclinical stage. This is where the animal testing is done. The main aim is to find the cellular response from the animals such as monkeys, mice, etc. They also observe the immune response from those animals. In the meanwhile, a private company, which is usually the vaccine manufacturer, files an application describing about their research so far. If everything seems alright, the vaccine manufacturer is granted to go for clinical studies with human beings. It starts from phase 1 and ends till phase 3. Gradually the number of testers increases to know the response. As usual, adults are tested, but if a vaccine is only made for the children, still it starts with the adults. Gradually it decreases to small age groups. Then comes the marketing process. This varies country to country, so I'll be telling it very briefly. But as country has a drug control authority, it is safe to say they regulate the entire process. The vaccine producer may patent their invention too, and by the way, they must seek permission from WHO to release it globally. Most COVID-19 vaccines are at phase 1 or phase 2. Only a few of them are in phase 3. Safe to say that we may still need 6 more months to get the vaccine. I am giving a link to an article where you can visit to see the progress of all the vaccines that have been made so far to battle COVID-19. Now, let us talk about the vaccine made by Bangladeshi scientists. From newspapers and various media outlets, it is confirmed from their press conference that they have done animal testing, usually on rabbits, from June 10 to June 28. And they found that those rabbits have developed the antibody after receiving the vaccine. This means they have completed the exploratory stage and the preclinical stage. Now they are awaiting ethical approvals from the Bangladesh Medical Research Council to start human testing. This means they are yet to start phase 1 trials. Hence, it can be deduced that it may require 6 more months to complete the process. As per Dr. Asif, there are 200 such companies globally that are making the vaccine. Of them, 11 are in phase 1, 4 in phase 2, and 3 in phase 3. So it is indeed a good news that we will soon start phase 1 trial of the vaccine. Moreover, Globe Biotech Limited claims that they have started their research back in March with a 12-member scientific group led by their CEO and their COO from Canada. After the press conference, as usual, there were reactions from people. Some appreciated it, which is good, but some made trolls on it. So my message goes to those people who laughed at it is that you should do a research on the person who have given efforts to at least try. You are laughing at such a person who graduated with the first class both in bachelor's and master's in microbiology. Probably you guys can't even spell the word microbiology. Listen, the world requires 7 billion vaccines, and at the present moment, only 1 billion demand can be met. So don't even expect that your neighboring countries will give you the vaccine when it itself is struggling to cope up with the numbers. Also, if you understand simple business, you will probably guess that it won't be cheap if we buy vaccines from the other countries. This will make the vaccine only for those people who are the rich ones. You should have probably understood when he clearly said we can't afford to lose more. Even if they fail to make one, we should support them. This should be a matter of pride for us, but we choose to make fun out of it. If Bangladesh, being a small country, succeeds in making a vaccine, probably our international reputation will reach to a supreme rank. So time to unite, not to divide. Let us appreciate the good that is taking place. Sorry, that was a long video, but thank you for watching it. I want this video to reach to many people, so I'll be very thankful if you share my video. If you learned anything out of this video, please drop a like to support me. Till then, stay home and stay safe, and please don't forget to pray to the Almighty. Before ending this video, my salute to all the frontline workers who are still fighting and who died working for them. But I want to criticize to those people who didn't follow any rules and to those hospitals who charged millions even in this situation. Anyway, that was my message. Again, stay home and stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. Joy Bangla.